All right, y'all, come get ready with us.
Let's go. Yeah, man.
All right, y'all, so it's time to get breakfast started. So we'll be having this one today.
All right, so what I was thinking was, you know what I'm saying, we're gonna do some fried eggs, because you know Maiah like the fried eggs. And we also gonna do some beef sausage, not sausage, we're gonna do beef sausage, you know what I'm saying? It's a difference, it's a subtlety, you know what I'm saying? But also, we're gonna do a little bit of toast, because you know my baby like to toast with it, you know what I'm saying? She like to be crisp. On top of that, let's just show you the bread real quick so y'all understand what happened. All right, so look, this stuff right here, man, top tier, is, I mean, it's good for you. It got protein in it. Get your fibers, you know what I'm saying, so you stay regular. You know, we all getting older, we need that. On top of that, we're gonna make some home fries. Now, look, you know, it's funny, we were doing errands yesterday. I was thinking like, man, I haven't had home fries in a little minute. And then she said, you know what, we need to have some home fries for breakfast. I said, man, you know what, Sela, that's why, you know what I'm saying? That's why
we be thinking alike.
Yeah, you know, I love it. But we gonna show you how we make ours. So we're just about to get to it.
Y'all just look at these potatoes, like just nice, golden, just beautiful, like just straight from the air fryer. This is all clean.
Look, y'all, we got us some eggs right here, fresh out the pan, you know what I'm saying? Fresh out the skillet with it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You know, easy.
A little toast on.
Oh.
I wanted some onions and potatoes. Sauteed up some onions. And there you guys have it. That is breakfast. Breakfast with a little tea.
Simple. It only took us, it didn't even take us that long. Like what, 30 minutes?
Alright, so we're gonna sit and have a quick chat with y'all. Alright, y'all, so we got our breakfast ready. We ready to chow down, and
Yes, ma'am.
that is pretty much our morning routine when we're together. So
Yeah. I mean, that's just how it is, man. So look, y'all let us know down in the comments below. What do y'all do for y'all morning routines? Because hey, look, you know, I mean, we're all interested, you know. I mean, don't hold back. But obviously after we're done eating breakfast, I know for me, today is pretty much a light day. May edit some more videos. Also on top of that, I gotta hang out with my coworkers today. Well, it's not an obligation, but you know, we wanna hang out, we wanna like each other, you know, we gotta work together. Work starts Monday. And babe, what you gotta do today?
I have a lot of work to catch up on from yesterday.
Yeah, we was out.
Out all day yesterday, so I have a lot of work to catch up on, so I'm probably gonna be doing that all day.
Yeah, I mean, but like I said, today, Friday's usually a lighter day. Saturday is gonna be a really, really light day. We probably be able to like actually go out and go do some things.
Yeah, so hopefully be able to get some good things, some good content for you guys before I go back home.
I know, y'all, it's the end is coming.
Well, it's not like, well, I don't know when I'm coming back up yet.
I know. That's the thing. We don't know yet, but we'll keep you guys updated on that. But look, just understand, y'all, we have been filming like crazy because we don't want y'all to miss these faces. Y'all don't know how much that means to us, okay? I just wanted to try something different.
Sometimes he just really surprises me.
I know. That's how you keep your relationship vibrant and live. You know, all that good stuff. You know, keep you guys on each other's toes. What, anything you want to say, babe?
Our food is getting cold. I'm ready
I know.
to eat.
All right.
Until next time, it's your girl, Maiah Chanel.
And it's your boy, Shawn the Conqueror, man.
And shout out to Victoria, because she be on it. She be on it. We see you, girl.
Hey, look, we see you. Look, we love you. Hey, look, we appreciate you for real. We appreciate you so much. Real talk.
All right, y'all. Gotta go eat.